Here we are driving to a remote, undisclosed location to go beat things with hammers.
Pretty much away from my neighbors, that's what I'm doing. Welcome back, and we are back home in Oregon, and we are doing a little maintenance on some of the things that we realized went wrong on our first trip out, which one is re-engineering our auxiliary battery situation, so that'll work. And the other is, you may have remembered that I bumped into a pole outside of Yosemite when I did not have brake sensor or backup sensors. So we are now fixing that. We've removed the shroud, and we're about to hammer out the metal on the bumper. But on that note, I think it might be time for an aftermarket bumper, or a bumper delete. New bumper. So, what do you think, in the comments below, I should do? Should I get a new bumper? And if I do, what are the aftermarket bumpers you recommend? I am looking at the ADD stuff, or Addictive Desert Designs, but I'm not sold yet, so we'll have to look and see what we can do. But in the meantime, let's hammer out a bumper.
I think we're going to need a bigger hammer.
And what we have here are...
Well, they are a flexible, self-sealing, self-soldering butt connector. So these tiny little wires are all back together.
We need to go buy a switch and a bigger hammer. And we've done zip tied the license plate and the sensors to the bumper for the time being. Real classy. Now we are at nondescript home improvement store to get a hammer, a bigger hammer. Well, we pulled off the tailgate. I think we're gonna skip the Overland build and go full Baja. Let's get a net, and we're, some tires in the back. No, I don't think I'm gonna do that. But yeah, now we have the tailgate off, and we're gonna pound out the bumper.
Tech tip of the day: the wiring harness for the rear camera and all of the sensors and everything, and the fact that this is a electric door, all run through right here. Once you've reached up and disconnected this, leave the gate up, pull your wires out, and then reconnect them. That way you can open your gate, easily disconnect them, and get the wires out, because otherwise you're never going to get it through that hole.
We are now in a location where we can safely pound out this bumper without creating a lot of havoc and noise. Well, we'll create the havoc and noise, it's just not within earshot of anybody who would get mad. We beat the heck out of that bumper and got it back in alignment, for better or worse. And now we are heating out the shroud to bring the plastic back up. Now, I could get a new shroud, order that. That's probably actually not that expensive. But I might get a new bumper anyway, so a whole new aftermarket bumper. So, we'll see. We'll see. In the meantime, heat gun. The rear bumper is now fixed-ish, and the auxiliary battery situation is under control. Now, it's dark out, so we're not going to show you what we did now. We'll save that for another time. But until the next truck venture, thanks for watching.